I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades. I am very tired here, but I want to give you guys a bit of an update on what Bitcoin is doing. So we were finally able to break out of this daily cycle, right? You can see this down sloping trend line here. We take a look at our daily cycle count. This daily cycle that we've been correcting, we finally broke out of it. Now it's not really breaking out convincingly, like we're not seeing like big surge of volume, big surge of buyers. My guess is if it is the bottom, right? A lot of people are looking for a bottom. And again, I'm not a perma bear. I go with what the count is telling me. That's probably the best type of people that you want to follow. You don't want to follow people that are like permanently bearish or permanently bullish, right? I see a lot of people who are permanently bullish and we're like, oh, boom, nailed it, called the bottom. But, you know, they called this the bottom. And then they called this one the bottom, and now this is the new bottom. And if we break this low, there'll always be a new bottom. And they'll never be wrong, right? Because they'll just delete all their posts. There's no track record or any history of anything like that. So again, I think those kinds of people are probably the worst ones to follow. The best ones are probably like people like me who trade in and out of the market, who are not looking to be permanently bearish or permanently bullish, married to a trade. And right now, we're actually seeing some bullish price action. So we're going to be flipping bullish if we see bullish price action. We could see we also broke out of the 4-hour, right? 4-hour cycle. You know, we're retesting, trying to break out of it. We broke out of it. Now we're retesting it as support. And I'm really hoping that we can get a surge higher here, right? A pump up and take out 86,000. Because now we would have at least some sort of 5-wave move up with some bearish divergence. Now, if we erase divergence again, right, and we end with no, right, if we end with no divergence and just a peak like we kind of just did right here, then all we have again is 3 swings up, and we're going to have to go back to our bearish count and our bearish targets, which are down here at 68 to 55,000, even as low as 44, which again, we're struggling to even get any pushes lower. The bulls are buying everything from the bears. They are desperate to keep Bitcoin higher. Okay, that's fine. Now we got to look for targets. So I got to have a level here at 87,400. I'm not in any trades right now. I see a lot of people are joining my Discord, but unfortunately I don't trade shit like this. It's very hard to trade. I did try to do a bit of a dip buy here, and then bounce back up. But again, I kind of stopped out of break even. A lot of Trump news came out, all those tariff news. I really don't want to be involved in any of that nonsense when that comes out. And I mean, look at this. A lot of people are trying to trade this, right? And it's down, it's back up, and it's down again. And like, you're doing $1,000 swings in Bitcoin. And again, maybe you're just the best trader in the whole world, and you're nailing. Oh, I'm nailing all the tops and lows. Why can't you do it? Okay, then if you're nailing all these, you shouldn't be watching this video, right? You probably don't need me, right? If you are, then you know, I guess you are not nailing all the tops and bottoms. But yeah, so we're looking for some sort of bearish divergence here on the 4-hour cycle. And I say that because we want an impulse off the lows. If we can get an impulse off the lows, we can get a pullback in wave 2 and then continue higher in a more bullish cycle, right? Now, if we even break out of these highs and continue higher and end with no bullish bearish divergence, I'm going to have to still extend the connector. We're going to have to go to a still even more bearish count. But for now, it looks like the markets are trying to push higher, right? Bitcoin is trying to get out of this rut here. So it's looking pretty decent for the crypto market. I really do like what I'm seeing here. And you got XRP coming back up. And again, that's one of our favorites here in the Discord, XRP. It is reacting very nicely, but I'm being careful, right, not to get too bullish, because again, we also ended with 3-wave move up here. It may look like 5 swings up, but on the 4-hour cycle, you can see that we peaked here with no divergence. And if the peaks here with no divergence, again, the XRP target is back down at 1.54. And I'm still bullish on XRP. very bullish to long term. I think it has a tremendous potential to go even higher than where it is right now. Right, it looks like it's peaked out, but really, you know, it's the fun's only beginning, because I think they've missed out on last year's or last cycle's bull run, right? Because they were kind of suppressed by the lawsuit and stuff like that. But again, I'm not going to get into that right now. We're going to focus on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is looking pretty juicy. And on top of that, the weekly time frame, right? The weekly time frame is shaping up. It's shaping up. You're about to print a green dot. The daily time frame, again, this daily candle isn't looking too hot. It's kind of neutral. The 4-hour time frame is struggling to get into green money flow for sure. It is. It's trying. The momentum waves are trying to push higher, but it's struggling to get that green money flow. So I'm hoping that we can take out these highs here at 86,000 to confirm 5 waves up with bearish divergence, and then 3 swings down, and then, you know, let the cycle begin, right? So we're looking for a 1-2. If we're looking for this 1, 2, and then the other counts can take place. So that's basically it for now. I don't really want to give you guys any more. I mean, it's not that I don't want to give you any more information. I don't really have any more information to give. That's kind of it. We also got the wave edge big buy here at the lows again, 74,300. Huge buy came in again at the lows, and it's been up since then, another 13% higher. So it's looking good for crypto here. If it can pump higher, then the markets can maybe pump higher as well. The futures are red right now. We saw lots of selling here. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. Maybe we could even pump up overnight and then come back down later, because maybe more bearish news is going to come up. And I will let you guys know when I get long on Twitter. If you guys follow me on X, you guys can follow me there. I always post my morning updates there, and I post you guys post you know, what I'm thinking, what I think the markets are going to do. All right, so that's it for tonight. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to get access to my trades, the link's in the description. Feel free to check out my history of trading. I posted my performance there as well, and feel free to email me if you have any questions. Peace.